Have you been wondering how you can make your own sweet chili sauce? Today I brought you the recipe. This is very easy. You can do it on your own. If today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. In this recipe, I'll be using fresh pepper for this recipe. You can see I use few stalks of pepper and I will be mashing it with my hand blender, and I add 2 cloves of garlic. So I'll be using my mash machine to mash it. So if today is your first time seeing my video, please remember to subscribe, follow my page at GLAATORY Flavors, and subscribe to my channel at GLAATORY. You can see it's well mashed. You can see how it looks like. Here I'm pouring 1 cup of water and sugar with salt to taste, and I'll be cooking it under medium heat until all the sugar and salt is well dissolved. You can see it's very transparent. Now I pour in my mashed pepper and everything is already boiling, so you have to keep stirring at it. This is very easy recipe you can make on your own. Here I'm adding cornstarch. So I'll be melting the cornstarch on water to make sure everything is dissolved before I pour into my chili sauce. So the reason why I'm using this cornstarch is to avoid this chili sauce to crystallize. I want it to be more pliable and more soft. That's why I'm using the cornstarch. If you don't put the cornstarch, you're gonna see that when it gets cold, it will crystallize. Here I will be adding the lemon. I use this lemon as a preservative for this recipe, so I added 1 full whole lemon. Stir. You can see it's already thickened up, so I have to up the heat. So this is your chili sauce you can make with no nonsense inside. If you can do it, why do you need to buy from the market? You can see everything is well combined and cooperated. So I'll be pouring it inside this bottle. So you can use any bottle of your choice. So please remember to like my video, comment and share. Don't just only watch it. When you watch, please comment and share so that others will see. You can see how it turned out so good and very tasty. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? At least there's no nonsense inside. You're sure of what is inside. Why don't you give it a try? Thank you for watching and follow me for more videos. Bye.